Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So some of you have probably already watched my earlier video when I went down to the beach. That is such a beautiful scene during the day. And no one was on the beach. So I do apologize for the sun glare, but once I got the camera adjusted, you were able to see the ocean. This is where I live at, and I love it. So anywho, I had said that I was on my way to the dollar store. So prior going to the beach, I had went to 2 dollar stores looking for my bling ribbon that you guys see me do tutorials on, and the 2 dollar stores were out, so I was like really disappointed. And then I had remembered last year one of the associates at the Dollar Tree had told me that there's a Dollar Tree down at the beach, which I've never been. So I went down and I found this silver bling, which I have not used. I've seen it, since September, but I was hesitant because it was so stretchy and thin and not as thick as this ribbon. But y'all, when y'all see the DIY I did with this, I hope that you are able to get to your dollar store and try to find this ribbon. So this is what I got at this dollar store. I got four of them. I got the last 4 that were there. As you can see, they're empty because I had started my DIY before, I filmed this. So this is my first time going to this dollar store, and I'm like blown away. If I had $100, that would have been done. But anyway, this is what I picked up. I have not seen these since last summer. They have the table skirts for $1. And at Party City, these can run you anywhere from $4.99 all the way up to $9.99. So I got it in white. And I got 2 in black. These are going to be great when I do like my buffet tables. Being that I don't have a bar cart, this will be perfect for like my craft table when I set up everything. So I got 2 of these and the white one. And I found a table runner, a white one. Okay, that's going to be for a DIY project. And I found a little jumbo checkers for me and Ariana to play while she's here, instead of having her watching YouTube all day or, on the iPad. So I got her some checkers. And I found Baby B, my grandson. I got him a pack of gray and white washcloths. I thought these were cute. This will go in the basket when I start preparing the baby baskets for him. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 in a pack for $1. Okay. And then, as you've seen in the video, I almost fell out when I went down the floral section. And I said, oh my goodness. I found the Acrylic Gems. Dollar Tree online, and the Dollar Trees where I live at have been out of these since, I'm going to say, maybe last May or June. I have not seen these at any of the Dollar Trees. And I lucked up. I went at the right time. So I got 5 bags. 5 bags. This is like gold to a crafter. So if some of you ladies are crafters, please put a comment down below and let me know about your acrylic gem finds. Oh my goodness. So I was like super happy to find this today. And then I found some nice nails, the pink and gold, thought that was cute, and then the black and the white. This is going to be for my New Year's. I'm not a nail person, as you can see in my videos, because I do a lot of arts and crafts, and it was just, you know, glue getting on them, just a waste of money. So I figured I would get these acrylic, you know, glue on nails and try them out. Because I'm the type of girl, I'll go get my nails done for my birthday. If my birthday falls on a Friday, come Sunday, I done took them all off. So it's just a waste of money. And then the type of work that I do, a nails gets in my way. So, and then I got a pack of batteries for my remote. So that's all I picked up at the Dollar Tree today, which I think is enough. I think I did pretty good. So after leaving the Dollar Tree, I decided to go to a store down here in the South, and it's called Roses. If any of you ladies or gentlemen have a Roses in your area, y'all need to get there by the end of this weekend if possible. Look what I found. Now, if you're used to Roses, then you'll understand what I'm talking about. Washcloths, thick, heavy, large washcloths. 50 cents, peoples, 50 cents. And these are probably like the Air ones that they made and were supposed to sell them probably, you know, at a higher store. Sometimes when I go in there, it says JCPenney's on some of these labels. Okay, so I got 2 in the lavender. I got 2 in the gray. And look how thick these towels are. Look how wide and big these are. So I got 2 in the gray. And then 2 like in the, I call it like the beachy blue. Because sometimes in the summertime, I change my bathroom into like a nautical seashell thing. So, for 50 cents, where you getting washcloths for 50 cents? And I mean, they wash up very good. I've bought these several times. I have no problem with them. They wash up good. They keep their shape. And to have a fresh washcloth at 50 cents, child. So if y'all got a Roses and and if you don't know about a Roses and a Roses is in your area, Google it and check it out. So I got a new shower curtain liner for $2.50 because I always change my liners out like every 6 months, even though I put the Lysol and, you know, wash them down and everything and bleach with my spray bottle. It's nothing like a fresh bathroom liner. And especially if you got a husband who works in a dirty warehouse, sometimes it can be hard to keep clean. So, I thought this was a nice, very thick, look at that, not that cheap shower curtain. It has the magnetic at the bottom. So I will be hanging this up when I get off the line with y'all this evening. So I got this, and if you guys remember when I did the shop with me at Ross last month, that'll go with my white rugs, which I have not finished my bathroom, but that's what my goal is for this weekend. So I picked this up, so I picked that up. So the last, I saved the best for last, y'all. They had 6-piece solid sheet set. Sheet sets for $9.99. Can y'all see that? $9.99. Now, I'm not too worried about the thread count because once I get done washing these in the Downy, they'll just be smooth as if you was, you know, sleeping on Egyptian cotton. You know, sometimes you have to pick and choose if you want to spend $100 on sheets or if you want to spend $10. And to me, this is a good deal. You get 1 flat, 1 fitted, and 4 king pillowcases. So I got it in white. And then I found it in gray. Now, I have a Super Queen bed, but I always buy king. That way, the sheet fits it, and then I can tuck the sheets in, and same thing with the flat sheet. So I got this in king. And child, if I had some more money, I would have bought every single color. $10 for sheets? Are you kidding me? Especially king? Y'all, come on now. So the total in that store, I spent $32. $32 for washcloths, shower liner. You know, you would spend $32 just on these sheets by themselves. Okay? So like I always tell y'all, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. So I hope that you guys have a great weekend. Stay blessed. Make sure to check out my Instagram page, which is If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, all together. Go over to my Facebook page and add me as a friend. If It Ain't Cheap, space, I'm Not Buying It. And add me. And then also check out my website. It is still under construction, but I will be posting and putting pictures and all different type of things on the website, and I'm going to be having a store soon for some of the items that I do make. I will be selling. You're new to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be able to get all my videos when I upload. Them. And if you have not subscribed, I would love for you to be a part of my family here on YouTube. I got a lot of exciting things that are coming in 2020. I have several trips that I'm getting ready to plan. Remember, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.